Hello, welcome to E.E. Miller's virtual open house. I'm Sherry Kessler, the music teacher, and I wanted to say hello to you and let you know a little bit about myself. I'm originally a Kansas girl, and I received my Bachelor of Music Education degree from Friends University in Wichita, Kansas. Later, I went to Wichita State University in Wichita and received my Master's of Music Education. My husband Jerry and I have 5 children: Jennifer, Jeremy, Robert, Aubrey, and Matthew. We also have 8 grandchildren and 4 great grandchildren, with another one on the way that's due in September. I love music. I love lots of different kinds of music, especially music theater. I did a lot of music theater and some different styles, melodramas, all sorts of different acting things when I was younger. And I like, of course, reading and traveling. And I like trying a little bit of crochet, although I'm not very good at it. It's a lot of fun to try. And I wanted to let you know that you can always contact me through my school email, Sherry Kessler at ccs.k12.nc.us. I'd be glad to hear from you at any time. And I did want to let you know that, of course, in music, our curriculum is based on the North Carolina Standard Course of Study. We have different objectives that are listed for each grade level for each 9 weeks, and we try to hit those objectives for each 9 weeks. And I want to let you know that the grades that are given are satisfactory, that's S, needs improvement is an N, and of course a U for unsatisfactory. It's very easy to get a satisfactory in music. You just have to participate, have a good attitude, doing your best. So we're not going to be able to do a lot of singing together when we're doing virtual music, but we can learn about composers and we can learn about different styles of music. We can learn about how do people write music with the music notation. So there's lots of things that we can learn. And if you have a question, be sure to raise your hand. I'll ask you to unmute, ask your question. That's a form of participation. If you have a statement that you want to make, you want to make an observation or have an opinion about something, that's all a way to participate. Always do your best. And if you're doing your best and I see that you're trying, that is a satisfactory grade right there. So just be positive and always be ready to learn. Be respectful, not only to me, the teacher, but to your other classmates. Be respectful to yourself. And when we come face to face in the classroom, I will ask you to take good care of the equipment, the musical instruments that we have, so that we may keep them in good condition so that we can use them from year to year. So it is easy to do well in music. Always keep an open mind, do your best, and everything will be just great. So I am looking forward to this. We're going to start music on July the 9th. So be sure to look up the schedule and see when I'm coming to your room. Okay? Thank you and good night.